Activity 1, Pecha Kucha. Fernanda Marsolo. Background: Fernanda Marsolo y Cueto was born on May 30, 1892 and died April 24, 1972. Was a portraitist and painter of rural Philippine landscapes, nicknamed the Grand Old Man of Philippine Art. He was the first ever to be recognized as National Artist of the Philippines. He was recognized as such for his pioneering use of impressionistic technique, as well as his skill in the use of lighting and backlighting in his paintings, significant not only in the development of Philippine art but also in the formation of Filipino notion of self and identity. Five aspects of Fernando Amorsolo's life that contributed to art and human history. The Golden Light, technique, artistic innovation. One of Fernando Amorsolo's greatest contribution to art is his mastery of light, often referred to as his golden light or backlighting technique. He used warm natural sunlight to illuminate figures and landscapes, giving his paintings a glowing, almost idealized quality. That this technique was not merely decorative, it adapted Western realism to the tropical Philippine environment. Through this innovation, Amorsolo helped establish a distinct Filipino visual language that made Philippine art recognizable on the global stage. The depiction of rural Philippine life, the planting rice. Amorsolo consistently portrayed scenes of rural life, farmers working in the fields, women in traditional attire, family gatherings, and local festivities. These works contributed significantly to shaping Filipino national identity, especially during a time when the country was transitioning from colonial rule to independence. His paintings serve as a visual record of customs, values, and everyday life, preserving cultural memory not only for Filipinos but also for international audiences interested in understanding Philippine society. Historical paintings and national memory, the making of Philippine flag. Beyond idyllic rural scenes, Amorsolo created important historical paintings such as the making of the Philippine flag. These works played a role in educating the public and strengthening collective memory about key moments in Philippine history by translating historical events into visual form. Amorsolo made history more accessible and emotionally resonant, reinforcing the role of art as a tool for nation building and historical consciousness. Recognition as the first national artist for paintings, awards, and citations. In 1972, Fernando Amorsolo was posthumously named the first national artist of the Philippines for painting. This recognition institutionalizes influence and knowledge. His central role in the development of Philippines visual arts. The award did not only honor Amorsolo as an individual but also elevated Philippine painting as a vital part of the country's cultural heritage, helping secure its place in both local and international art discourse. Lasting influence, productivity, and global legacy impact on art history. Amorsolo was exceptionally prolific, producing thousands of artworks throughout his career. His style influenced generations of Filipino artists and shaped public taste in painting for decades. His works continue to be exhibited, studied, and sold in international art markets. contributing to the global recognition of Filipino artists. This enduring influence demonstrates how his legacy extends beyond aesthetic, affecting cultural education, the art, economy, and historical understanding. That's all. Thank you.